You gonna get Elmo? No, you're gonna go underneath the table? Hi, what you doing under there? Are you coming through? There you go. Hi. 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 You gonna play with your table? Oh, it's in Spanish. Go get it. Go get Elmo. Oh, you went through the table. No, you can't have that. Thank you. Look at you on your hands and knees like a big girl. Yeah, like a big girl. Hi. Hi. You're a big girl. You gonna get on the beanbag chair? You gonna get on the beanbag chair? What's that? Oh, that's to the camera. Thank you. Thank you. Here. You gonna play with your table? Go play with your table.